Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to enable security notification on WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, right after opening our WhatsApp, we'll be in the chat space. Here on the chat page, you'll be able to see three options: a camera icon, a search icon, and three dots on the right hand side corner. Tap on the three dots. After tapping on three dots, you will be able to see new group, new broadcast, link devices, and settings. Here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, here you'll be able to see many options being account, privacy, avatar, chats, and many more. Here you'll have to tap on the option account. After tapping on account, here the first option you'll be able to see security notifications followed by two-step verification, change number, and so on. Tap on security notifications. After tapping on security notifications, here as you can see, it is said that your chats and calls are private. Here on the below, you'll be able to see show security notifications on this device. Here it is said that get notified when your security code changes for your contact's phone in an end-to-end encrypted chat. If you have multiple devices, this settings must be enabled on each device where you want to get notifications. Here tap on the toggle option. Once the toggle option turns green, you can see the security notification has been enabled. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable security notification on WhatsApp. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.